Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically we can download the image from a URL using node fetch library inside your Node.js application. You will see we have given this image URL. We will be also be converting this application to Express application. So this is a basic example. You will see we are downloading this image from this URL which is hosted on this website of my. If I show you this image, you can see we are simply right clicking copy image address and simply copy pasting the full URL of this image. Now we are using the fetch API, which is a module inside node fetch. It is called as node fetch, and basically it is just a wrapper for the fetch API that you use inside your JavaScript application. So now to run this inside Node.js, we need to install this module node fetch. So simply go to your command line and simply type npm i node-fetch. Simply install this module, and after that you give the URL, and then this image URL comes here. Now if I try to execute this application, node index.js, so you will see in the left hand side output.png file is created and this image is successfully downloaded to my local machine. So you can see that we are doing it a very simple example. Inside this code we are putting this, we are requiring this module node fetch, and after this we are putting the URL of this image, and then we are simply making a fetch call to this image URL, and then this returns a promise. So we inside this response object we got our basically we are creating a file inside the local machine which is output.png. You can see that. So we are simply saving this file on the local machine. Now I will be converting this application to an Express application where we will be asking the user to enter the URL of the image, and then we will be downloading the image as an attachment. For doing this you need to require Express, so simply install the Express module, enter, and basically we will need to require this module here at the very top. And this will be a very simple application, not a lot of going on. We will start this Express application at port number 5000 like this. So now to start this application we have this method app.listen. We will pass the port number, and then inside the callback we will simply say that the app is listening on port 5000. And now we need to load something on the screen, so we will make a simple get request. So whenever you open the home page we will load index.html. so here we will simply say response.send file, and we will send out index.html which we will create in the root directory. So index.html, and after this just create this file index.html in the root directory, guys. So this file will contain a simple form. Here we will simply say download image from URL in node fetch. So we will have a simple form here, guys. So form, and basically the action will go to download image /download image. The method here will be post. We will send this data to the server, and here we will contain a simple input field, guys, which will be of type text, and here we will be saying enter URL of image, and basically it is required, you need to write this. After this we have the submit button, and the value will be download image like this. So whenever you click this button this event will fire, it will go to /download image. We need to now make this request, guys, inside our Express application. So we will simply make a post request here. We will simply say /download image. Oh sorry, the mic was off. So you can see we just need to basically download this image. So we will simply wrap all this code inside a function. So basically we can copy this whole code and paste it inside this request. Simply format document, and this image URL, guys, we need to get this using for body parser. So you need not have to install this module. This is built in inside Express. Body parser, sorry. And then we need to use this middleware functions, guys. Body parser URL encoded, and here we need to pass extended to false. Extended to false. JSON. So just need to write these two lines, guys. That's it. And now we will be getting this image dynamically coming from the user. It is request.body.url. So for this, guys, you just need to go to your index.html and you need to give it a name attribute here, URL. So this needs to be same here. Name attribute, we are getting it. So inside your, we are getting through the name attribute. After this, we will simply pass this image URL like this. And this time saving it, we will not be saving inside our root directory, we will be downloading it. So we will simply say, sorry, we will download this file. After we create this file is created right here in the root directory. Now we will be basically be downloading it. So we will simply say here response dot download, and we will download this file, which is output.png request response. That's it. So this basically it's a download function, guys. It will automatically download the file as an attachment in the browser. So now if you load this application, guys, if you node on index.js, your server will start on port 5000. If I now open this address, localhost, so here you just need to put the address of the image, guys. Copy image address, paste it, click on download image. You will see that, guys, automatically your image is downloaded. This is your image. You can take any example here. You can go to any website here, Google, just type here mountain image, simply copy this. So I think you need to put the URL of image. You can go to a site called as Unsplash. Various photos are there. So any image you can take, copy image address, paste it. Sorry, copy image address. Let me paste the address. Click on download. You will see image is downloaded. Sorry, every time I think it is creating every time this output.png. So after downloading it, we need to create sorry, dynamic images. So the names should be different. So every time this, we can simply create a variable here, which is output part. So we can simply say here date.now and followed by output.png. So every time the file name will be different, and we will pass the path here, now output path, and also we will replace like this. So this approach is very much useful, guys, because here we are declaring a variable. So every time your image is downloaded, it will have a different name because of this function date.now. So now what will happen here, if you run this application, let me run this once again. Paste the address, just paste the address, copy image address, I think you need to have a full address, guys. That's why the image was not downloading. Let me take this image. So you need to have a complete URL for this application to work. If you paste it here, click on download, you will see that. So in this way, guys, you can build out this application. Thank you very much for watching this video. All the source code is given in the description of this video.